Ahil. Now welcome to my Redux lessons. For this lesson, what I want to talk about now Redux. I want to talk about Redux in the context of React. How would they take the use Redux for React applications? So I discovered say some developers don't like to use Redux because they feel say they're complicated. But they're really complicated if we understand how how the flow be really. So now what I want to try to do with maybe like 2 videos. So what to be Redux really? Redux now state management 2. So you're gonna hear people they talk about state and they're gonna talk about store interchangeably. So but what they be really? State now a piece of your application. For example, logged in user. That is a state. Say they logged in or it is logged out. So then the store, now where would they keep the state? So Redux, they help us, they provide us store where would they keep our state, parts like that. So to understand Redux, first we need to understand why we need Redux and how will they take the managed state with React application. So for this video, first I will implement counter using the state management way React provide out of the box. And then the subsequent video, I will talk about how we will use that this same counter, but we will use Redux take manage the state. So I hope I go get 1 or 2 things for this video. So now waiting I get here and I just basic setup really. I get app component and the app component get 2 buttons and we get counter. The idea now to click this plus button to increase and the minus button to decrease. So we'll say we get the count here. We put the count inside span. So we get this dot state dot count. We will get error because we never put them for state. So we get error say count no day for state. So we need to create state object and we'll put count inside. So the error don't go. Now if we press this, nothing will happen because we never really put the event handler on click. We'll create on click, and this on click we put this dot increase count. Then we'll say this dot increase count. Then for this we put on click again, but this time around we will talk say this dot state this dot decrease count. It never do anything because we never write the functions themselves. So we could implement those functions. This one will be arrow function. No go pass any parameter inside. So for inside, what would they do with a set? We call set state, and we put count, and we just do state dot count plus 1. So if we do this one now, we see say we increase the state. So the state there here. Now React they manage this component, they manage the state on your own. Now then we need to implement the decrease. Then we need to implement the decrease count. Same logic, but instead of plus we'll just minus. -1. So now it work with the increase arm. But now this object now, this state object, now this component the manage arm. So we know fit, for us to get this count for maybe a child component, we need to pass them as props. And sometimes they will be say we need that child component, we'll get another child component, we'll get nested component. So it means anywhere where we need count, we need to pass them as props. Now there Redux come in. So for the next video, I will show now how we take use Redux, take manage state. So I hope so now learn 1 or 2 things for this video. And if you like the video, you feel just like the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube will notify you now. Ahale. Later.